What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fall lookbook. Now as you can see, I am in my robe. I am comfy and warm. Alright, let's stop with all this fake shenanigans type stuff. Today we are going to be doing our fall lookbook. I am so excited for this video. I haven't done a lookbook since last year. This fall lookbook is super exciting because not only is this a fall lookbook, but you can get a lot of affordable stuff from this collection. So what more is there to really say? If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let's get on to this video. Before we actually get right on into the fall lookbook itself, I wanted to kind of go through a few things that are going to be within this fall collection. When we think of fall, we think of the pumpkins, the spiced lattes, the sweater weather, you know, because it started getting chilly outside, the leaves falling. You know, as a kid when you used to rake up those leaves and then you jumped in the pile. I started thinking of these things, and those things really reflect in this lookbook. As a fall, I really think of color first, which is really the warm colors that kind of bring the vibe of fall through the outfits. So some pieces out of the collection that I had put together is this dress, and then even this top has some orange, some red, some mustard yellow. This pants has some browns, even a little bit of black in there. And these colors are really kind of what you look for when you think of fall. A fall collection lookbook, you kind of think of these colors. Now alongside the sweater weather, you know, when it comes to warmth, we're not looking at just color. Color, yes, can bring the vibes of the warmth, the fall into it. But now we have to add the material, the thicker material to keep us physically warm, and I think of knitted sweaters and cardigans, and in particular what's popular in the fall are the long knitted cardigans, which tend to be my favorite anyways. I'm not a big fan of short cardigans. I always love the long ones just because they kind of, I guess, remind me of a robe, something just warm, comfy, and close to home. And my favorite thing about knitted sweaters is the fact that they had this unique design which brings its own identity to the outfit, which is always a really big key in what you're looking for. You want to have an outfit that has its own identity. Last but certainly not the least, we want to talk about textures. For example, a velvet texture or maybe even silk, kind of paired with a furry jacket such as this. And we want to keep in mind, look at that color. Ooh. Keeping all these components in mind, you are likely to stay on trend and find your fashion niche. But with these offers specifically, I present to you my fall lookbook. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked it, please go ahead and give me a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below which one was your favorite outfit, or if you had any at all. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, bye.